Hi everyone, this is Darcy and today I'm going to talk about the newest Nebulyft device, the Nebulyft R2. The Nebulyft R2 is a radiofrequency device, so it will help you with collagen production to get your skin more plump, to soften the fine lines, but the technology of the Nebulyft goes a step further and also helps you minimizing pores, dark spots, facial swelling, so it helps to depuff your face and also helps the skin texture. In this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial. I'm going to talk about all the advanced features of the R2 and I'm also going to compare it to the R1 device. On this video, I'm going to give all the information you need to see if the Nebulyft is the best choice for you. So if you want to hear more about it, keep on watching. This video will be very comprehensive, so you can always check the timestamps below if you want to jump anywhere in this video, and make sure to like this video if it's helpful to you. So now let's get to it. Radiofrequency devices are really effective for building collagen, for helping with wrinkles, from firming your skin. Nebulyft is one of the most effective, advanced, and easy to use radiofrequency devices. One of the things that I find that really makes Nebulyft stand out is that it is a super gentle heat. It keeps the temperature of 107.6 Fahrenheit or 42 degrees Celsius. So even though it is effective, it is never too hot, it's never burning your skin, and for that reason it is one of the only devices that can be used by any skin tone and even super sensitive skins. The Nebulyft R2 is the newest device from Nebulyft and has pretty exciting new features, especially some updates to the technology. So this is a lot of a smarter device that can really help you get your treatment to the next level. The Nebulyft R1 was the first Nebulyft device released. The differences between the R1 and R2 are both internal and external. R2 has 320 gold micro radiofrequency dots, and the R1 has 256 gold micro radiofrequency dots. Also, the way the dots are arranged is different between the R1 and the R2. As you can see on the R1 device, the dots are arranged differently, and on the R2, dots are concentrated more on the tip. And the reason that the arrays of the RF dot are more concentrated on the tip is so it's more effective when you're using for under the eye area as well as the nasolabial folds. The R2 also has a new chip and also upgraded technology that offer a new intelligent variable frequency from 0.5 to 2 megahertz. The reason that it has this variable frequency is that the device is intelligent, so it senses the thickness of the skin, such as the under eye, which is thinner skin, or the forehead skin. That way it can adjust the frequency and the heat for those areas, so this device will adjust accordingly. It also had some improvement on the design. It made it more smooth and also has this ring here. The R2 has 5 adjusting levels of comfort. Treatment time is 10 minutes. It's wireless, waterproof, dust-proof, and very portable and light, and also an ergonomic device that fits really well with your hand and gives you a very comfortable treatment. It also offers an upgraded battery, so with each charge you're able to use the device 6 times. When you charge it, you just plug it in to the outlet and you just set the device on top. I find this super convenient and nice. You can just set up on the table, you set the device to charge, so it's pretty cool. I'm going to show you a tutorial using your Nebulyft device with the app, which has some pretty exciting new features that didn't have before. So I'm going to select R2 and then you're going to turn on your device. So it's searching for the device. Make sure your Bluetooth is on, which mine is. Tap the device to connect, and it's going to say here on the app that is connected. When using the app tutorial, I find that it's more helpful to apply the gel all over your face and neck because the app tutorial goes straight to the treatment. So make sure you apply the gel all over your face before you start the tutorial. Apply it also on your neck. Honestly, I like applying the gel to my face better than on the device because I find that it saves me a little bit on the gel. And you can always spray your face with water once the gel starts drying out. That way you don't have to use so much of the gel. Now that's done, we'll go into the tutorial. You can see also how much battery I have, and I have 51% of battery, which is nice for you to check. And then you can select the tutorial. Standard mode is what the tutorial I'm going to be doing, and we can click start. And as soon as you click start, it already starts. So I'm going to select level 3 and we're going to start on the chin. And the way the tutorial goes is going to be doing 1 minute on each side. So you just follow the directions I'm on level 3, but you can select any level that's comfortable for you. And now she's switched. It's really nice having these tutorials, especially if you're new to radio frequency or new to the Nebulyft. That way it gives you exactly how to get a 10-minute treatment. I'm already drying out a little, so I'm going to spray before I get to the nasolabial folds, and it makes a noise to show you to change. And we are treating the nasolabial folds now and go all the way up. So nasolabial folds up, and it's going to be 1 minute on this side and 1 minute on the other side. And now you change. Now from cheek to temples, and it makes a little noise when it's to turn it off. And the Nebulyft head is really smooth, so it is gliding really well. But if you find that it starts to tug, you can either apply more gel to the head or just spray more water into your face to revive the gel. I'm going to already spray the next cheek because I think moving soon. There you go. My eye is getting a little red because I kind of spray myself in the eye, and I'm using a very old spray mist, so hopefully it's not expired. But you can literally use just water, guys. I'm just using what I have here at the office. That way I don't have to keep reapplying the gel, but you can always reapply the gel straight into the machine or just spray with water. It does help. And now the forehead, and it beeps when it's time to move. Also do it like that if you like better. So the way you can get into the up to the 11s here too. It's just another option of treatment for treating the forehead. For the forehead, I like holding it like that better than how she's holding it, so it's a matter of preferences as well. Do what feels best for you. And now let's go to the neck, and I will have to spray some more. The neck, she's doing like this, but the neck is for sure dry, so spray with your water to revive, or you can apply more gel. And she's doing the sides of the neck, not the middle. So just slowly all the way. You turn to the other side. So you can do with or without the app. Just kind of keep in mind that you do one and then you alternate. But doing with the app is nice because that way you can just follow along, and that way you don't skip anything and you are sure to finish your treatment in 10. But it's important to do what feels good for you. So you can do the treatment with the app or without the app. So that means the treatment is all done. I highly recommend any of the Nebulyft devices because they are advanced, effective, and easy to use. So if you already have the R1 or any of the other ones, you may not need the R2 unless you really want to upgrade the technology. But honestly, you still get amazing benefits with any of the Nebulyft devices. And I'll have a video in November comparing all of them so you know specifically the differences of all of them. But in a nutshell, any of the ones that you have, you will be happy with your results. Thank you so much for Nebulyft for sponsoring this video. And if you're interested on the Nebulyft, I do have a coupon code that can save you some money, and I'll leave all the affiliate links and discount codes on the description box below. If you have any questions, please make sure to comment below. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!